Hello, welcome students. Today we'll see the community post poll answers, right? That actually I have given uh, this week, right? As we always used to solve the this answers, right? Community post answers that we are listing in the community post through the week, right? So today is the day that on Sundays we used to, you can say, solve these queries and provide the answers to you all, so that you can make some notation from these answers for your improvement in your MCQ answers, especially question answers for your subject physics, electronics, IT, CS, right? So at somewhere you can say some basic question of chemistry and biology is also been asked over here, right? So and the comment section questions also been answered over in this video. So we'll continue. So I will request you to students to subscribe the channel. Myself Ajit Kumar. This is techniyojan channel, and we'll start the question. See, the terms SSL and TLS stand for what? Right. So the answer is secure socket layer and transport layer session, right? Transport layer security, sorry. Okay. The external JavaScript file must contain the script tag. Is it true or false? Right? No, it is not necessary. In internal, you can. I mean to say is it is compulsory, right? So where is the correct place to insert JavaScript? You can say into the head section also of a HTML file, or you can say in the body section as well. So the answer would be both. Then the correct sequence of HTML tags for starting a web page is what? First of will come HTML, then head, then title, right? And then body. The second answer, the second option is correct one. Many have given the second as correct answer. Okay. Which statement is incorrect about the electrolytic cell? So the cell reaction is spontaneous. The reduction occurs at the cathode. Yes, it is. The cell includes a battery. Of course, the electrode may be inert, right? So the cell reaction is spontaneous, right? As because you can say in the anode side the oxidation occurs, and which is non-spontaneous. And in the side of you can say cathode reduction, and it could be a random one, right? Ions, random movement of ions. Okay. So the answer is the cell reaction is spontaneous. The rate of transfer of charges through a circuit is called what? That means the flow of electrons, right? So the answer will be correct. Students, okay, this is not okay. The space between table data value and its border is called as. See, many students have given this wrong answer. I guess they have made a misperception over here for the question that is being asked. Why? See, the table, that means a particular cell is there, right? A particular cell is there. If a particular cell, again an adjacent cell is there, then the gap between those two cells will be the cell spacing. But what is asked? It is asked as the the space between the table data value and its border. That means the square, that is the border, and inside that border, that cell, the space. That is padding actually, right? So be careful, students. Cell padding. The answer is cell padding. Don't confuse with the question. You can say border. Which option is used to create a horizontal ruler? Of course, HR. So dash is the portion of the medium where a temporary increase in volume and decrease in density takes place when a sound wave passes through the medium. What it is? You can say when a sound wave is traveling, you may found as compressions and diffractions. So it's temporarily increase in volume, right, and a decrease in density. So the answer will be compression. The first law of thermodynamics states that energy is what? Is destroyed, created, conserved, what? Many students have given the right answer. Okay, that means it is conserved, and it is right. Not that means that students are given it is right, but the answer is actually right. That is conserved. The second law of thermodynamics states that the entropy of a system tends to what? It will either be increase or it will remain constant as well, but not decrease. Right? Which is not type of heat transfer. Okay, what to do now? The question is, which is not the type of heat transfer? Conduction is the transfer of heat again from point A to point B. Convection, from point A to point B if you boil the water, right? And radiation also हवा के द्वारा electromagnetic waves के द्वारा ट्रांसफर ही हो जाता है, तो बचता क्या है? Expansion. So the answer is expansion. You are right, students. SQL stands for what? Structured query language. It is a query language. You can say in structured way, right? Structured query language. The many students have given over here the wrong answer. So why so? Okay, it's structured query language. अभी मजाक में दिया तो मुझे मालूम नहीं. What tag is used to display a picture on a web document? क्या? ये देखो. Yes. बराबर दिया है बच्चों. It's image, IMG, not IMAG, right? It's image, IMG tag, a standalone tag, right? 1 micrometer is what? 10 to the power minus 6. If it is asked as 1 meter is equal to how much micrometer, then it would be 10 raised to power 6. सब्सक्राइब कर दो भाई, लाइक कर दो वीडियो को, अच्छा लग रहा है तो, पर सब्सक्राइब करते जाओ. बता रहा हूँ, रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ. Who described penicillin? Alexander Fleming. And what is the output of an AND gate? And if the inputs are 1 and 0, so what? In AND gate only you know that if the input is, both inputs are 1, then only the output will be 1. And many students have given on. What is this? On means it is 1, but the answer is what? 0. So many students have given the wrong answer. Take a note of this. Right? So the answer is 0. What element has an atomic number of 32? It's germanium. PHP can run on Microsoft Windows Server. Yes, it is. IIS, Internet Information Server. Right? आप लोग कंप्यूटर में जाके चेक कर सकते हो, एडवांस में जाके, अपना सेटिंग्स में जाके, कंट्रोल पैनल में जाके, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव टूल्स में जाके चेक कर सकते हो. Then what is the correct way to connect to a MySQL database? Again, over here also, its answer is MS SQLi connect, not connect MySQL. So 82% students have given this answer. Why so? क्या पता भाई, ऐसी मस्ती कर रहे हो क्या आंसर देते हो तो, ऐसी टाइम पास. Which of the following property specifies the width of the border? The name itself shows in the option, the first option, border width. Sorry for the background. I guess it creates a disturbance for you. क्या करूँ, करना पड़ रहा है मैनेज. Thermodynamics is the study of what? It's transfer of energy. Right? Transfer of energy. Which of the following properties is used to increase or decrease how bold or light a font appears? It's font weight. Right? Font weight colon 700 pixels तो या 900 pixels तो उसमें तो बढ़ जाएगा, कम हो जाएगा. Which element defines the title of a document? Simple, title. What is the correct HTML for making a text area? It's text area, not input type is equal to text. ठीक है, ध्यान से, गड़बड़ कर दोगे एग्जाम में गलत हो जाएगा, 1 मार्क्स जाएगा फिर आप लोग का. A semiconductor is formed by dash bonds. Which? Covalent bond. Because sharing होता है ना, ठीक है. So बस, this was the final one of this week. So I hope so you got all these answers. Okay, you have make a note down somewhere, or you can repeat the video again. You can watch the video again. So we'll continue again with the next time with next series of questions. Right? You can say this week, Monday to Saturday. Then again we'll come on Sundays. In the next Sunday, okay, we'll come with the answers again on the next Sundays. This week we'll continue with poll questions. Okay, at the community post I will post 4 to 5 questions per day. Then you can answer those and we'll solve the you can say questions on Sunday, right? So again, if I you can say got the response this video as a good one, good responses if I'll get, you can say students are interested in watching these Q&A answer type questions, then only I will proceed further. I'm telling this as well, right? Or we'll continue only one more Sunday, else we will stop this if your students are not interested, right? So by leaving the session, I will request you once again, subscribe the channel, like the video, and definitely put some, you can say, put the comments if you have any doubts or queries, right? Till then, thank you. Have a good day. See you.